Hello everyone, I am doing example 4 from R.S. Aggarwal, class 12 maths book. This is differential equations solving using variable separable method. Okay, in variable separable we take all y variables on left side and all x variables on right side. So in this question, can I take dx this side? So it will become dy is equal to sine inverse x dx. Okay. After this, we can integrate both sides to solve it. Correct? Okay. Here there is nothing. I can assume 1. So what is integration of 1? Is y only. So here to integrate sine inverse x, I can take into 1. Whenever we have inverse problems, we can take. Now, if you remember, it is the product of two functions. एक है sine inverse और एक है 1. So I will use I late. Okay, if you remember, I is for inverse. This is for integration, correct? This is for log functions. A is for algebra, if you remember. Okay, T is for trig functions. And E is for exponent functions. Here we have inverse and 1 is an algebraic function. So order will be what? 1 and 2. ठीक है, तो इसको we can take first function and this we can take second function. ठीक है, यहाँ तक okay है. तो what was the integration of u into v? So u into v, where there are two functions, integration was u as it is, integration of v minus derivative of u, integration of v, and integration of entire function. Correct? If you remember, this was the formula for integration of u into v. So I will be using here, where this will be my u and this will be my v, first and second function. Okay, I hope you remember. Let me do it quickly. So y is equal to, first as it is, integration of 1 minus, what is derivative of sine inverse? I will take dy dx of sine inverse x, integration of 1 and integration of whole. Pause करके you try on your own and then see your answer. ठीक है, pause करिए. So it will be sine inverse of x. Integration of 1 is x. It will come here minus. What is derivative of sine inverse x? Everybody knows it. 1 by 1 minus x square under root. और इसका हो गया into x. Integration of this dx. ठीक है. This we know how to integrate this part. I am showing you. देखिए, can I multiply by 2 here? Up and down कर सकते हैं. All these type of questions we have done in integration. Multiply up and down by 2. ठीक है. Now to integrate it, this part I am doing. Integration of 2x by under root of 1 minus x square. So I am taking 1 minus x square as t. So minus 2x dx is dt, both side. Okay, remember this chapter you cannot do without knowing integration. Okay, first do integration, then come back to this chapter. So this is 2x dx is minus dt. So this part became minus dt. Yes or no? Okay, so let me write down. This part became minus of dt and this is root of t. ये वाला part जो है नीचे, this one, this became root of t. So what is integration of minus half dt? So this you should know. This is t raised to power half divided by half. Okay, which is nothing but minus 2 root of t. ठीक है. So once we are done this, I will use it here. And what was t? T was 1 minus x square. So I am gonna use it here. Okay, don't lose minus. Minus is also there here. I hope you got it. ठीक है. So I am using it here. So y is equal to x sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2 and this whole part we just integrated, this part, which is twice under root of 1 minus x square dx. This 2 and 2 cancel, and this is only my answer. ठीक है, next question देखेंगे. One more thing, here it was minus and minus. Okay, I lost this minus. This minus will be there. ठीक है, this minus. So this minus and minus will become plus. तो this is my answer. Easy था. Next question देखिए. This is question number 5. देखिए इसमें only y terms are there and we are using variable separable. So can I write dy, I am taking this here by 4 minus y square under root this side and dx this side. Correct? तो dy हमारा left में हो गया और dx right में. There are no other terms. ठीक है, तो I am ready to integrate, to solve it. ठीक है, now integrate both sides. Do you remember this formula? Integration of dx under root of a square minus x square is sine inverse of x by a plus c. Do you remember this formula? So I will use it here. कैसे? देखिए this 4 is nothing but I can write easily what we can write 2 square लिख सकते हैं. Now this is exactly matching, this one is exactly matching with this. Correct? If you see it. So this will be sine inverse of y, and what is a here? Here a is 2. If I compare this by 2 is equal to, this is 1. What is integration of 1? Is x plus c. This is my answer. Easy tha. We'll do next question. So here is question number 6 from R.S. Aggarwal. This is example, very important example. So here we see x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dy, and this is dx something x. So on the right side we are supposed to put all the x terms. So dx I am taking there, and this entire term I will take down, everything on the right side. So dy is equal to, this is 2x square plus x divided by, this came down, x cube, x square, x plus 1 into dx. Correct? So we have taken all on one side. So there are no y terms. So here is only 1. There is no y terms on the left. So this is fine. Can we integrate both sides? Correct? The integration of 1 is y. Done. Now to integrate this, these are some algebraic terms up and down. So if upper, ध्यान देखिए, if upper power is more, then we divide. But here maximum power is 2 and down is 3. So we cannot divide. Correct? So usually if numerator power is more, we divide. But here numerator power is 2 and denominator 3. So no need to divide. So now we will try to factorize this denominator, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here x square common. So x plus 1. Here 1 common in these two. So it is x plus 1. Correct? Now x plus 1 common, and here x square plus 1. So I think I am able to factorize it. I am writing x plus 1, and what we are getting is x square plus 1 dx. Now what can we do? Whenever there are two algebraic functions, we use partial fraction methods. Correct? So for integration, I will use, write down, partial fraction method. Okay? So this we learned in integration. So let me do it. 2x square plus x by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So this will be a by x plus 1. Correct? Because this is single power. And whenever there is a square term, we use bx plus c by x square plus 1. Correct? Yes. And then to solve a and b, what do? We multiply by this denominator everywhere. correct? Here x plus 1 into x square plus 1, here x plus 1 into x square plus 1, x plus 1 into x square plus 1. That's how we do. Then here it will cancel and I am getting 2x square plus x is equal to, this will cancel, a times x square plus 1 plus, I think this will cancel. So this is bx plus c into x plus 1. Okay. Now we have to find out a, b and c values. Okay. So to find a, b, c, what can we do is, we can put different values of x. Like we can put x is equal to 0 both side. Then we can put x is equal to 1 both side. And then we can put x is equal to minus 1 both side. That's how we solve a, b, c. Okay? If I put x is equal to 0 both side, you can try on your own. Otherwise it will take a lot of time. You just put x is equal to 0 everywhere both side. So you will have a plus c is equal to 0. Then put x is equal to 1 both side. Here 1, x is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So you will end up having, likhiye 2a plus 2b plus 2c is 3. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. X is equal to minus 1 if you will put, you can try to put minus 1. Here I think we will get a 2a is equal to 1. This is equation number 3. So if you solve a is equal to 1 by 2. Correct? If you put a here, तो c मिलेगा आपको minus 1 by 2. Correct? Now you put a and c here, then you will end up having b is equal to 3 by 2. You can try to solve on your own. Once you have a, b, c, so that means आपके partial fractions क्या हैं आपके? Partial fractions were a by x plus 1 and bx plus c by x square plus 1. ठीक है? तो a is 1 by 2 and b क्या है? b is 3 by 2. तो I will put it here. देखिए, is 3 by 2 x plus c. So c is minus, correct? So this will be minus half by x square plus 1. So this is what we got after partial fractions. Okay? So now we are ready to integrate. Correct? And left side में we already had 1. Perfect. So y will be, this is 1 by 2 log of x plus 1. Whenever there is a linear equation in denominator, we have what? We have just log plus this we can write 1 by common. So this is 3x minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. I think you all know how to integrate it. Or let me just quickly do it. 1 by 2 log of x plus 1, 1 by 2. Can I separate it out? This one will go to both. Okay, so 3x by x square plus 1 minus half integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Correct? Is it clear? So this is easy to integrate. See, this is 1 by 2 log of x plus 1. This is easy to integrate. Third part. इसका directly है tan inverse of x plus c. So this is your answer. And for the middle part, what can you do? This is 3x. है ना? So how can you do it? I am doing it here on the side, this side. So if you take x square plus 1 is t, so we are doing it here in this part. So 2x dx is dt. Correct? So you need 2x. So how to make 3s 2? How can we make it 2? Tell me. Can I take this 3 common? Okay, this 3 came out. We want here 2. Can I divide by 2 and multiply by 2? कर सकते हैं ऐसा? ठीक है? तो now 2x dx became dt. So 3 by 4 dt and this is t. This part is t. So what will be the integration of this part? Only this part. Log of t. And t क्या था आपका? x square plus 1. Okay, first part is this and third part is this. So this is my answer. I hope you understood. ठीक है? So I am not writing all the parts, but it is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, only this part I integrated here. This will be copied as it is. Let me write down 1 by 2 log of x plus 1, and third part will be copied. If you feel, I can quickly write down minus half tan inverse of x. So this is my entire answer. तो ये भी easy था. So this chapter is mainly about recognizing which process to be done and how to integrate. This is 7th question. Pretty interesting and easy question है. So देखिए ये dy है ना. तो if I take this side, तो what we will get, dy is equal to 1 plus y square 1 plus x square dx. But in variable separable, what should we do? All the x terms with dx and all the y terms with dy. तो ये dy term इधर आ जाएगा, करेक्ट. सो ये हो जाएगा आपका dy by 1 plus y square is dx by 1 plus x square. Now we have, so now we are ready to integrate. कर सकते हैं इंटीग्रेशन, करेक्ट. इसका तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है, इट विल बी tan inverse of y. Okay, and for this also we have a formula direct 1 by 1 plus tan. So it will be tan inverse of x plus c. This is my answer. Sometimes if both answers are in tan, though your answer, this is your pretty correct answer, but how to change it in a more smaller answer? So whenever two things are in tan, so c can also be taken in tan. See here, tan inverse y plus tan inverse, I'm sorry, this was equal to plus c. So this I can take tan inverse c. So I can take tan inverse y. For combining tan inverse, we have a formula. Tan inverse y minus x by 1 plus yx is equal to tan inverse c. This is the combining formula. So now we can cancel tan inverse. So y minus x 1 plus yx is c. So this is also correct answer. So you can do anything you want. Both are correct answers. Next question. So this is 8th question from R.S. Aggarwal examples. You may find it on page 918. That's where I have it in my book. Okay. So this is the question. Always remember one formula. Whenever you have log of a is equal to b. So here base is e basically, if base is not mentioned. Okay. So we want to remove log. Okay. So how to remove it? So whenever log goes other side, so what happens? This e goes in the base and log disappears. So this will be a is equal to e raised to power b. Understood? And log is gone. Okay. So that's how we write. One more example. If you have log, suppose you have a base b is equal to c. Okay. So what will happen if you want to remove log? What will happen? This a will go in the base. So b will become a raised to power c and log will disappear. Please remember this. When log disappears, so whatever is the base of the log, it becomes the base on the other side. Okay. So here it was the base e, so it became e raised to power b. Here it was base a, so it became a raised to power c. Okay. So here I don't want this log. तो यहाँ पर बेस क्या था e, तो e will go other side. So this will become dy by dx is equal to e raised to power ax plus by. Okay. One more thing. Do you know whenever you have power e raised to power x plus y, it splits into ex and ey into products. Correct? Remember this formula. It breaks into this. If you have ex minus y, then it becomes ex by ey. Write down these two formulas. It becomes ex by ey. These are basic formulas. Okay? So this will become dy by dx e raised to power ax into e raised to power by. ठीक है? Now dx can I take there? So it will be e raised to power ex e raised to power by dx. Okay, fine. Till here. In this question, we are supposed to collect y terms with dy, ये वाला टर्म, तो इसको इधर ले आएंगे, और x terms with dx. So this is okay. So I will bring this side. So dy by, it will go down, no? E by is equal to e ax dx. Correct? Now I am ready to integrate both sides. Understood? I am ready to integrate. What will I get after integration? So this is integration of e raised to power minus by dy, integration of ax dx. Integration of e power क्या होता है? E raised to power by same, and whatever is the coefficient of x or y, whatever is the coefficient, it goes down. Integration में it goes down. Here e raised to power ax, so whatever is the coefficient is a, so it will go down plus c. So this is my answer. You can leave it here. ठीक है? अब देखते हैं 9th क्वेश्चन. बहुत दिखने से टफ लग रहा है, बट स्टेप वाइज इफ वी विल डू, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट. You will find it on page 919 in old publication. Okay. So, in order to solve it, let me try if I can factorize it. So 1 plus x square, y square, x square plus y square, xy, dy by dx. Here can I take 1 common? So 1 plus x square. Here can I take y square common? Correct? So it is this. So it is xy dy by dx. ठीक है? यहाँ तक okay? Okay. I'm just trying to see if I can simplify. Okay. So I can see clearly here what is common here. 1 plus x square is common, and this is coming. Okay, little bit seems to be in a better condition. ठीक है? What else can we do here? I feel कि इसको we can take this side, है ना? तो xy dy by dx is minus of under root 1 plus x square and 1 plus y square. ये जा सकते हैं? Okay. So can I split it this way? Dy by dx is minus of 1 plus x square and under root of 1 plus y square. ठीक है? This is into, तो मैंने बस separate कर लिया, because in variable separable x term separate, y term separate करने का है. ठीक है? Okay. Now what? dx उधर ले जाएंगे, तो xy dy is this is under root of 1 plus x square, minus is here, into minus 1 plus y square into dx. Correct? Okay, it's looking pretty better now. Minus is in front. Don't lose it. Don't lose this minus. Be careful. Okay, ये वाला है अभी. Okay. This term I am bringing here, and this x I am bringing here to keep it with the dx. ठीक है? Okay, I hope you understood. So I am doing it here onwards. So it will be y dy divided by 1 plus y square minus, here is root of 1 plus x square by x dx. That's what I am getting. ठीक है? देखिए ये वाला जो x है ये नीचे गया इधर और ये इधर. Now I am ready to integrate both sides. ठीक है? All x terms are on this side, right side में हो गए सारे, और y terms left में. तो we are pretty much ready to integrate. देखिए इस साइड इंटीग्रेशन इज प्रीटी सिंपल. ये वाला कैसे? कैन आई डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2? कैन आई टेक 1 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज t, तो 2y dy इज dt. ये वाला पार्ट बिकेम dt. ठीक है. So let me write 1 by 2 dt by root of t. Here देखिए इधर, this is root of t, don't lose it. This is root of t. So what it will become? So always remember, integration of dx by root x is, you can kind of use it as a formula. It is used so much. So x raised to power half by half, which is 2 root of x. That's how we do it. ठीक है. So this is integration of this is so useful. You just remember it. It is this. This is the formula, kind of formula. ठीक है, 2 root x. So I'm gonna use it here. Integration of this will be twice of root t. So 1 by 2 into 2 root of t. So this will cancel. So it is just root of t. Now we will take care of the right hand side. ठीक है, left side is sorted here. How to do this? Okay, यहाँ पर आपको you have to be little bit careful on the right hand side. ठीक है, तो कैसे करने का है? See here, can I write 1 plus x square is t square? Okay, so 2x dx will be 2t dt, or I can say simply x dx is t dt. Correct? Here we need x dx. Okay, so can I multiply up and down by x purposely? So I got minus of root. This is what? 1 plus x square is t square. Correct? This is x dx by x square. So minus of, what is root of t square? Is t only. And what is x dx? x dx क्या है? t dt. ठीक है, आप ध्यान से करिए, don't lose it. Okay, so we need x square. We assumed 1 plus x square is t square. So can I say x square is t square minus 1 from here? So it will be t square minus 1. So can I write it is t square dt by t square minus 1. Okay, now how to integrate it? What to do to integrate it? देखिए इधर, can I purposely do minus 1 and plus 1? Can I do it purposely? ठीक है, so what it will be? Minus of, now I can separate it out. This part and this part I can separate out. So it will be t square minus 1, t square minus 1 dt plus integration of 1 by t square minus 1 dt. See, this minus 1 is traveling all the way. So I can take it on this side. Correct? Easily. You pass it on left side, so you won't have to move it for a long time. So left side was sorted. I hope you are not confused. Left side, your t was 1 plus y square. And ये वाला जो minus था, I have sent it on other side so that it's not creating problem this side. इसको हमने यहाँ पे हटा दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने इसको left side ले लिया. ठीक है? Remember. Now I am ready to integrate. So this and this cancel. तो 1 dt plus integration of dt t square minus 1. ठीक है? तो 1 का integration is t plus what is integration of this? Can I write t square minus a square? And if you remember from integration list, there was a formula, and formula was dx by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. If you remember, this was the formula. ठीक है? Remember this formula? X square minus a square is log 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. It is exactly matching. Yes or no? है ना? So here it will be 1 by 2 log of t minus 1 and t plus 1. Why? Because a is 1 here. If I match it with this formula. ठीक है? अब pause करके you solve it on your own and then check it out. And what was t? We are done here. And what was t? T was root of 1 plus x square 1 by 2 log of minus 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1. This is my answer. I hope you understood. So I am assuming you got it. Now we will do question number 10. Okay? So here it says find the general solution of equation this. So let's do variable separable. So what can we do is, I'm just writing question to see what is there. Ex, this is x of log x plus 1 dx. So left side is dy and here is dx already. Only this x should belong here. That's all. So I am writing cos y dy is equal to ex x log x plus ex divided by x. Understood? Dx. What I did, let me do it again. You may get confused. What I am doing here, first I am multiplying it inside. Ex with this and this into log of x dx plus ex dx. Multiplied. Now, multiplied separately. Now this x I am sending other side. Okay. So if I send it other side, what will happen? So this will become cos y dy is ex x log x dx by x plus ex dx by x. ठीक है, यहाँ तक easy है. Now we will see what can we do. Variable separable is over. Both side, left side is only y terms, right side only x terms. So cos y dy ex log x dx by x. We are ready to integrate now both sides because separation is over. Okay, ready to integrate. So cos y integration everybody knows is sin y. Correct? For this I will use isolate method. This is exponent and log. So for isolate, here we have exponent and we have log. So log should be given first and exponent should be given 2. That you know. So I am changing it. Log should be given 1 and exponent should be given second. So log x into ex. So this is my first function and this is my second function. Okay. In the first question I explained the formula. क्या था? Integration of u into v क्या था? U integration of v minus du by dx, integration of v and integration of whole. Remember? And integration of this. So this was the formula. Correct? So I am using it here. So log of x as it is, integration of ex minus derivative of log x, integration of ex dx plus this we will sort later. Okay, we will see it later. Let's just copy it. Okay, now what we will get? Continue. We are getting sin y is log x, integration of e is ex only minus what is derivative of this? 1 by x into ex dx plus ex by x dx. देखिए कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है, लग रहा है कुछ इन प्लस सी. देखिए ये दोनों, ये माइनस और ये प्लस एकदम मैचिंग है ना? कितना अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि ये दोनों कैंसिल हो रहे हैं. वी आर फीलिंग सो गुड. दीज टू आर गॉन फॉर गुड. और आंसर है log x ex plus c. This is my answer. So this was still question number 10. See you in next video. If you learned anything from my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.